Hi guys, in this video I am going to tell you how you can create new project in Android Studio. So let's begin. So first of all, click on Start a new Android Studio project. After that, select the template, which can be any activity. It could be basic activity, empty activity, or scrolling activity, etc. It's your choice which you want to select. So I'm going to select empty activity. After that, give the name to your project. I'm going to give it a name which is my application 1. After that, I'm going to select the language. So you can select either Java or Kotlin. I'm selecting Java. After that, you will see a minimum SDK where different APIs are given. So you can select any one. At below of minimum SDK, you can see it's written your app will run on approximately. It basically tells you on how many devices this application will run on. So it depends and varies which Android API you select. So I'm going to select API on which 100% devices can run. As you can see, there are different varieties. So after that, I'm going to click on finish. As you can see, it will take time, and at last your Android Studio project will be created. So guys, hope so you liked my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel, get information and knowledge, and click on the notification bell on all to get the notification about my latest information and knowledge videos.